Hello guys, welcome to the English Easier with Eric. In this video, you will listen to some daily English conversations in different situations and places. Definitely, you will learn useful vocabulary, phrases and improve your English speaking and listening skills. Let's take a look.
Deciding which stores to visit.
Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my...
All right, we need to pick up a few things today. Do you have any stores in mind?
Well, I was thinking we could start at the grocery store. We need some food for the week.
That sounds good to me. Which grocery store do you want to go to?
How about the one that's closest to us? It's usually pretty convenient.
Yeah, that works for me. Do you think we should stop at any other stores while we're out?
Actually, I was thinking we could swing by the hardware store. I need to pick up a new light bulb for the bathroom.
Okay, that shouldn't take too long. Which hardware store were you thinking of?
There's one just a few blocks away from the grocery store. It's called Home Depot.
Oh, yeah, I know that one. Sounds like a plan. Is there anything else we need to pick up?
Not that I can think of, but we could check our shopping list just to be sure.
Good idea. Let me pull it up on my phone. It looks like we also need to get some shampoo and conditioner.
Alright, we can stop at the drugstore on the way back. Which one do you want to go to?
How about the one near our house? We know the layout pretty well, so it should be easy to find what we need.
That works for me. Let's hit the grocery store first, then the hardware store, and finally the drugstore.
Sounds like a plan. Let's get going.
I feel like I'm losing my mind.
Making a shopping list.
Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my...
Hey, I'm going to the grocery store later. Do you need me to pick up anything for you?
Thanks for asking. I do need a few things. Let me just pull up my shopping list.
Good idea. I should probably make a list too. I always forget something when I go to the store.
Yeah, it's easy to get sidetracked and forget what you came for. Here's my list. I need some milk, bread, eggs, and some fresh fruit.
Okay, I can definitely grab those for you. Do you need anything else?
Actually, can you also pick up some paper towels and dish soap? We're running low on those too.
Sure thing. I'll add those to my list. Thanks for reminding me.
No problem. Do you want to make your list together? It might help us both remember what we need.
Great idea. Let me just grab a pen and some paper. Okay, I need some chicken breasts, potatoes, broccoli, and some cereal.
Got it. Do you need anything else?
Oh, can you remind me to get some toothpaste too? I'm running low on that.
Sure thing. Toothpaste added to the list. Thanks for reminding me about the dish soap and paper towels.
No problem. It's always better to have a list so we don't forget anything.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody...
Asking for assistance from store employees. Excuse me, do you work here?
Yes, I do. How can I help you?
I'm having a hard time finding the spices. Can you point me in the right direction?
Of course. The spices are located in aisle 6. If you follow me, I can show you where they are.
Thank you so much. I appreciate your help.
No problem at all. Is there anything else you're having trouble finding?
Actually, yes. I'm looking for gluten-free pasta. Do you carry that here?
Yes, we do. It's located in the organic foods section. If you go to the back of the store and turn left, you should see it.
Okay, great. Thanks again for your help.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.
Actually, one more thing. I'm not sure which brand of olive oil to get. Can you recommend one?
Sure. We have a few different brands, but I usually recommend the one that's on sale. Right now, that's this one here. It's a good quality oil at a reasonable price.
Perfect. I'll go with that one. Thanks again for your help.
No problem at all. Enjoy your shopping.
Reviewing purchases. Alright, we got everything we needed. Let's review the receipts and make sure we didn't forget anything.
Good idea. Let me just grab my receipt out of my pocket.
Alright, let's see. We got the apples, bananas, almond milk, gluten-free pasta, and olive oil. That's all on my receipt.
Same here. And I got the bread, peanut butter, eggs, and cheese. It looks like everything is here.
Great. Let's take a look at the prices and make sure everything is accurate.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Let's see, the almond milk was on sale for $2.99. That's a good deal.
And the bananas were only 59 cents a pound. That's definitely cheaper than I expected.
The gluten-free pasta was a bit expensive, but it's worth it for me to avoid gluten.
Yeah, I agree. And the olive oil was a good price for the quality.
Overall, it looks like we did pretty well. We got everything we needed, and we didn't overspend.
Yeah, I'm happy with our purchases. Let's head home and start cooking. Smart ways to improve your speaking skills.
Greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight.
And that's it for today's English lesson. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more English language learning videos. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below and we'll do our best to respond. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future English lessons. And if you want to take your English learning to the next level, check out our channel more often. Thanks again for watching and we'll see you in the next English lesson.